Under the scorching Botswana sun, two massive bull elephants engage in a fierce battle for dominance over the herd. Their enormous tusks clash, echoing across the savanna, while a herd of female elephants and their calves watch with tense anticipation. Dust swirls as the battle rages on, until one elephant finally turns to flee, defeated. The victorious bull, triumphant, uproots a large tree with its immense strength, offering it as a gift to gain favor with the females. Set against the vast, arid landscape with acacia trees and a dry riverbed in the distance, the herd gathers around the fallen tree, signaling their approval. A dramatic, colorful sunset paints the sky, highlighting this intense and emotional moment.